Welcome to Agrivisions, a program of First Dakota National Bank. I'm Michelle Rourke with Nate Franzén, president of the Agribusiness Division. Nate, we've had a lot of volatility in the markets due to the Iran war, what's going on with crude oil and energy prices, but how can farmers manage that volatility or tune out the headlines?
Yeah, it's a challenge, Michelle, no doubt. And I think especially this time of year when we're anxious to get planting, and it's that time of year where there's, some built up anxiety anyway, looking forward to getting to the field and getting things going. And so the best advice I have is we have to pay attention to those world events because they can impact our operations, but we can't fester on it. We can't let it stress us out. We have to really focus on the things we can control, right? Control the controllables and manage around the uncontrollables the best you can. And there's some things you can do and some things you can't. Some bright spots that I see, and anytime there's turbulence, there's some opportunity around that too in some situations. And so, along with the rise in fertilizer and fuel prices, we've seen a little bit of a rally in the grain markets, and we've got several customers take some action around that and do some pricing and taking advantage of it. Now, will we see better opportunities? We don't know. But again, volatility creates those swings, and we have to think about what makes sense for our operation and take action when it makes sense. And so there's always a little silver lining in some of these turbulent times.
And really, the best way to manage through volatility is to have a really good plan in place, right?
That is a great point, Michelle. It gets back to the fundamentals, right? Have a plan for your operation, know your goals, know your strengths, know what you're good at, and really leverage those things and try to tune out some of the noise, right? We can't control the tweet tomorrow and how the market might react to that, but we can control those things that we do year in and year out, and we do them well, and it's part of why we have successful farms and ranches today. Be on your A game, and I'm confident our producers will work their way through the challenges that lie ahead.
Thanks so much, Nate Franzén with First Dakota National Bank and today's Agrivisions.